Hi everyone, we are Team PDJC. Today we are going to show you our AI shop assistant. So we would like to focus on a customer workflow, and our solution is designed for large-size brick-and-mortar stores. So here's our agenda. When we look at the retail industry, we believe that one of the pain points of customers is that they need help, but for some reasons, their needs are unaddressed. For example, they are unable to look for a staff to help them, or sometimes there are too many people in the shop and customers are not willing to queue up for service. So when we take a look at the customer questions, we can simply group them into two categories, including general inquiries like what's the price of the product, what's the function of the product, and also two suggestions. Does this product suit me? So even when we look at the broader retail industry itself, there are some pain points as well. For example, there are unfilled positions, and also because of seasonal fluctuations, sometimes we definitely need more workers to work in a shop, but it's not really easy to find workers to fill the position. Also, workers may find that it's hard to take care of every customer in a shop. Let's take a look at the broader context. In the political aspect, the minimum wage has just increased. In the economic aspect, we know that there's rising inflation rate, so customers are definitely more cautious on spending. In a social aspect, it is actually found that customers are more interested to shop in a store rather than online. In the technological aspect, we know that generative AI is a new technology, but it's not really being used in retail industry yet. In summary, we believe that the key issue is that there are unfulfilled customer needs due to staffing limitation in a brick-and-mortar store, and we believe that generative AI is the solution. We have come up with two solution strategies. The first strategy is that we can use generative AI as a retail staff to provide answer to customer inquiries. The second strategy is that we can use generative AI as a friend to provide personalized suggestions to customer as well as help them to come up with new and exciting ideas. Next, we will pass on to discuss our solution value and potential.
With our solution, we see the potential. Since 73% of customers said that fast solving inquiries help enhance the customer service experience the most, while 89% of customers are more likely to repeat purchasing next time if they have received a good customer service experience, and 5% increase in customer retention then help enhance the profit to increase at least 25%. Not only that, investing in retaining existing customer also cheaper than creating new customers. So we expect that our AI shop assistant that help answer customers' inquiry timely will contribute to 65% of customer likely to repeat purchasing next time. We have observed a Hubs DC store in Melbourne CBD and found that a store usually have two staff and four customers at the same time, which means that there will be some customers that are not taken care by the staff, and this make the probability for them to make a purchase only 20%, while the customers who are taken care by the staff will be 50% to purchase. Based on our observation, we found that our AI shop assistant will help the store to increase the daily sales by 24% and help save the training cost that the company used for training a new staff at 840 Australian dollar per person per year. For our revenue model, we will provide our service with subscription pricing plan charge monthly. In the short term, we focus to serve large size retail store first and then expand to department store in the long term. The basic plan will start with fundamental features and store can add more features with additional fees like audio response and command and multilingual features, for example.
The next part is value proposition. Our target is a shopping customer and the scenario is offline shopping customer. Our target have a lot of job to be done. For example, they have to make the decision which item they want to buy. So our business is a web-based shopping assistant that provide all the information for the customer to help them make the decision. However, our solution not just only provide the basic information about the product, but we also collect all the data from the different sources and then create an answer to the customer. So different customer might get different answer which is suited for their preferences. This is our final product. We call it AI Shop Assistant, which is a web-based personal assistant. We are focusing on offline scenario, and our goal is to enhance the customer experience while shopping. This is our main features. On the top part, the search function, we support message, voice, and picture. On the bottom, only for you and what's on today is based on the customer preferences. One of our main feature is shopping companion, the function inside, for example, product comparison. But for this function, it's not just the simple compare between two products, but we also provide additional information, for example, the current fashion trend. We also train our system to be able to make analysis and do the calculation about this product. For example, it can create a color palette that suit for these clothes, so it's more convenient for the customer when they want to do the makeup or they want to select the accessory that can suit for these clothes. The customer can also purchase directly on a platform and pick up it later. Another function is try this out. This function allows customer to take the picture of themselves via the mirror, and then the system will generate a 3D picture of customer and their clothes. However, this is not the final looks. Customer be able to adjust the clothes, for example, make it shorter or make it longer or change the color. And also the customer can mix and match with accessory inside the store. In another word, this function help customer to find the final look that suit for their preferences, and it also can help the company to upsell their product. Another feature is plan your journey. The customer be able to select the shopping theme. For example, they want to shopping for camping. The system will generate an item list for the customer. However, this is not just a shopping list function, but it also connect it with another information. For example, the system will calculate how long the customer have to spend on the shopping and connect it with the parking info. With this information, it benefits for the company as well. So the company can know how long customer will spend on their store and which section is the most popular section. The next part is go to market plan. And our business objective for the first phase is we try to enhance the offline customer experience. The next phase is we try to connect customer activity between online and offline. For the target market, for the first phase, we are focusing on retail store. The second phase, we are focusing on department store. However, we believe that our solution also suitable for exhibition, museum, and amusement park as well. For the differentiated offering, we use various input data sources. We also provide a unique next answer for the customer, so different customer will get a different answer. The system also allows customer to make an adjustment on the final answer. With this way, we can guarantee that our final answer is really suited for customer preference. Also, the last one is in the future, we hope that all the customer can finish all the activities with our platform.
Now let's discuss the architectural design. We will use Microsoft OpenAI Service, especially GPT-4 and DALL-E 2 in our solutions. The cloud service we are using is Microsoft SQL Database, which store our data inputs, and Azure Cache for Redis to enhance query efficiency. The last thing is the use of LongChain as a memory platform that enables data to be embedded in our AI assistants. There are 8 touch points in our AI assistant's workflow as written in the slides. I will explain it briefly. First, the product data from multiple systems will be processed and stored on the Azure platform. Therefore, when a customer interacts with the AI assistants, the query will be processed by Azure OpenAI, which handles text, voice, or image inputs with the data stored in the database. Additionally, to search for external informations, such as trends, an additional web search will be performed. This results in an output that will be returned to the user. There are 5 key factors that ensure the AI assistant is successful.
accuracy of generating solutions, how aware the customer about the new solutions, implementation process, adaptability to feedback, and the inventory database integration. We have also found four key risks that might jeopardize the solutions: underestimation of costs, negative reaction from employees, the solution does not solve customer problem, and compliance risks. Thank you for listening to our presentation on AI shop assistance. We do hope our suggested solutions can alleviate customer pain points and improve customer service experience.